Service Provider Routing and Switching Specialist, JNCIS-SP, JN0-363 exam dumps are the best material for you to prepare for the test well. 1. Which two statements are correct about as is? Choose 2. A. A Level 1 only router can never form an adjacency with a Level 2 only router. B. For Level 2 adjacencies, the area IDs can be different. C. For Level 2 adjacencies, the area IDs must be the same. D. A Level 1 only router can form an adjacency with a Level 2 only router. 2. What are two types of SLDs used in segment touting? Choose 2. A. Node, B. Adjacency, C. Link, D. Interface. 3. Which two statements ain't correct about the community BGP attribute on a Junos device? Choose 2. A. The community attribute is a mandatory BGP attribute. B. If the community attribute is present, it is ignored and deleted in the BGP updates. C. If the community attribute is present, it should be passed unchanged in the BGP updates. D. The community attribute is an optional BGP attribute. 4. You want to see a detailed list of all established BGP sessions. In this scenario, what would be a valid command to accomplish this task? A. Show BGP neighbor, B. Show BGP summary, C. Show rouse receive protocol BGP, D. Show rouse protocol BGP. 5. Which statement describes integrated routing and bridging (IRB) interfaces? A. An IRB interface is an IP gateway for hosts of a bridge domain. B. An IRB interface assigns interfaces to VLANs. C. An IRB interface enables Layer 2 switching on the router. D. An IRB interface defines a bridge domain. 6. Which configuration celling prohibits a static route from being redistributed by a dynamic routing protocol? A. Route filter, B. No re-advertise, C. Qualified next hop, D. Passive. 7. You are asked to create connections between routing instances on the same Junos device and route between the connected instances. What are two ways to accomplish this task? Choose 2. A. Use physical interfaces. B. Use an IRB interface. C. Use logical tunnel interfaces. D. Use loopback interfaces. 8. You are adding an IPv6 configuration to an interface on a Junos device. In this scenario, which statement is correct? A. The link local address must be manually configured within the FDO0 skeptical smiley face 8 prefix range. B. The link local address must be manually configured within the FA80 skeptical smiley face 10 prefix range. C. The link local address is automatically created using the MAC address within the FA80 L0 prefix range. D. The link local address is automatically created using the MAC address within the FDOO skeptical smiley face 8 prefix range. 9. Which two statements are correct about the way that BGP propagates routes by default? Choose 2. A. A route learned by eBGP will be re-advertised to iBGP peers. B. A route learned by IBGP will not be re-advertised low IBGP peers. C. A route learned by eBGP will not be re-advertised to IBGP peers. D. A route learned by IBGP will be re-advertised to IBGP peers. 10. Which two LSA types are permuted in OSPF totally stubby areas? Choose 2. A. Type 1, B. Type 3, C. Type 5, D. Type 7.